Hello world, and now we are about to witness the top 5 model here in the Philippines, brought to you by Benz and Henshop. And now calling for our first model, Mr. Jambert Martin and Carla Madriaga.
Sabihin mo na rin yung ba? Action! Sip lang mo. Action.
Ay, ayoko na lang. Pag gusto ko
our
ako
next
na.
model, brought to you by Benz. It's Kenneth Dalupe and again, Miss Carla Madriaga.
Lights, camera, action! Action! Okay, lakad. Wait lang, huwag masyadong mabilis. Stop! Okay, turn. Ikot, go, balik. Action.
And now our top 3 model, Pen Shop. Here are Mr. Rose Gaida, Mrs. Rose Gaida, and Mr. Gilbrist.
Lights, camera, action. Let's stop. And turn. Turn. Stop kayo dyan. Kukuhanan ko kayo.
And now that we're going to single fashion, here are Mr. JB.
Maganda din ang maganda.